The HIMG Surface Repair Light Cure Acrylic Repair Kits are an effective way to make your own repairs without having to call in a professional. Our non-toxic repair kits are a great alternative to epoxy. They won't yellow or change color over time. The clear repair material works well on multicolored surfaces. After removing the contents of the kit, we'll have a 1 gram syringe of clear light cure acrylic, a syringe of polished paste, an LED light, a rubbing alcohol prep pad, a micro tip, 220 grit sandpaper, 1200 grit wet polish paper, a polishing cloth, a wooden stick, and a curing strip. First, we'll clean the defect with the rubbing alcohol prep pad. This process removes contaminants and encourages a strong bond. Then we'll install a micro tip on the light cure acrylic syringe. The micro tip helps to accurately dispense the repair material. Next, we will dispense the light cure acrylic into the defect. It is very important to fill the defect to 100%. Overfilling wastes repair material and results in a repair that has to be sanded and leveled. A properly filled and cured damage may reduce or eliminate the need for sanding and polishing. We then place the curing strip on top. While the curing strip does not have any chemical value, it presses the light cure acrylic into the damage, leaving a flat, shiny curing result. In the next step, we will activate the LED light to a constant on function by sliding the switch to the on position. Using the LED light card, we will position the LED so it is directly above the light cure acrylic, as close as you can without touching it. Most damages will harden in 5 to 7 minutes, but larger damages will take additional exposure. To test for hardness, use the wooden stick and gently tap the cured area. If it feels hard, you may proceed. If it feels soft, a few more minutes of exposure may be needed. Once cured, gently remove the curing strip. They can be reused, so save it for your next repair. If your repair feels tacky, wipe with rubbing alcohol or acetone. Check to see if the repair is flat and flush with the surrounding surface. If it needs to be leveled, start with the yellow 220 grit sandpaper in gentle circles. Overpressure may result in hazing or scratching of the surrounding area. Wipe away any dust with a polished cloth, then add a few drops of water and polish with the gray 1200 grit polished paper. This will help to bring up the shine. After a few moments of rubbing with gentle circles, wipe away any moisture and then add a few drops of polished paste. The paste will add a final shine while removing any remaining contaminants. Your completed repair will be water and fade resistant, while also being non-toxic and safe for food prep areas. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a shout.